Once upon a time, deep inside a quiet forest, lived a small, gentle bird. She had soft, shining feathers and eyes full of kindness. Everyone loved her, but she had one strange habit. Every single day, whatever she experienced, something happy, something painful, something confusing, she wrote it down on a tiny stone. If the sunrise was beautiful, she wrote it. If another bird hurt her feelings, she wrote that too. If she felt lonely at night, that went on a stone as well. She believed good memories deserve to be kept, and bad ones shouldn't stay inside the heart. So she carried a small cloth bag around her neck, and every day she placed a stone inside. At first, it felt wonderful. Her bag felt like a treasure chest full of her life. Holding it made her feel safe, like nothing would ever be forgotten. But as the months passed, the bag grew heavier. One day, she noticed her wings getting tired. Her flights weren't as smooth. She couldn't fly as high. Still, she ignored it. She kept adding stones. She told herself, one more memory won't hurt. One afternoon, she met an old owl sitting quietly on a branch. The owl looked at her and asked, "Why do you carry such a heavy bag, little one?" The bird smiled proudly and said, "These are my memories. Every joy, every heartbreak, every lesson. I don't want to lose any of it." The owl stayed silent for a moment, then asked gently, "But tell me something. Are you still living today, or are you flying with yesterday on your back?" The bird didn't answer. She didn't understand. So she flew away. But that flight felt harder than ever before. Days passed, then weeks. Her bag was now bursting. Stones were spilling out. Her wings shook every time she tried to lift herself into the air. One evening, dark clouds covered the forest. Rain poured. The wind roared. The bird tried to fly to safety, but her body couldn't rise anymore. And then she fell. The heavy bag dragged her down. Her tiny wings pressed against the wet ground. The very memories she tried so hard to protect were now crushing her. Later that night, the owl returned. He stood next to her fragile body and whispered sadly, "Memories are meant to guide you, not to chain you." She tried to hold on to life and forgot to live it.